All right. So, yesterday we last left off delivering to Great Restaurant. Okay. We completed the journal, the ledger, the subsidiary ledger, as well as inventory. Okay. So now we need to receive some more coffee. Okay. Here we received from or actually not more coffee, excuse me. We purchased more sugar and creamer. Okay? So in this case, right, we went to wholesale foods and bought 60 more pounds of sugar as well as 15 cases of non-dairy creamer. Okay? And we used a business credit card to pay for it. So this is it right here. So how do I journalize this? Wait, give me a second. Okay, this is sorry. We just delivered to Great Restaurant. So this is what I was talking about, sorry. We did receive some coffee. That's what I thought. Okay, so here it is. We received some coffee. Okay. This is where we left off after delivering to Great Restaurant. So how do we journalize this?
Account payable and regular coffee and supreme coffee.
Yes. Here it is. Okay. Okay, how much regular coffee did we buy?
125 or 125 pounds each.
Mm-hmm. For 175, and then we got 205, giving me a grand total of 380. Okay. Atlas Coffee Importers invoice number 388. 1%, 15 net 30. Okay. All right. Do you want to do the freight together?
Yeah.
Okay. So 62.50, which is 31.25. That means you need to write a check for 62.50 because it's COD. Okay. Go get your check. So 27 for 62.50 to Freightline. So 15.27 is the check. We have invoice number 699. COD check number 15.27. Okay. I'm going to also check mark that off in my purchase order. So 380. We received the 250 pounds of coffee for 380. Invoice number 388. Okay. So what's next?
We go to the general ledger.
Okay, let's update our accounts. Okay, regular coffee. Purchased 125 pounds and we had freight costs. We are on General Journal 17. For 175 and 31.25. So what's my grand total that I should have in my regular coffee account?
224.19.
224.19. Good. Okay. We're gonna update my Supreme right now. So what's my ending balance in my Supreme coffee account?
339.85.
339.85. Good. Since I'm already in my assets, I'm gonna go ahead and put my check in first. Ending balance should be $3,687.79. I've also have an accounts payable. I just received a bill. Which increased it by $380. So how much is in my accounts payable?
Three three four five two one.
Good. Okay. We have Atlas Coffee Importers. 125 pounds of regular coffee and 125 pounds of Supreme coffee. General 17 with a 1% 15 net 30. So when is the discount due date?
July 12th.
July 12th, and then of course 30 days later is the 27th of July with a total of $380. Okay. So out of all of these invoices that we received or bills, right, we have a total of $2,226.25 that we owe to Atlas Coffee. Okay. Let's take a brief moment to see what is due. So none of these bills are actually due until July. So we are still good until July. This number is weird. Okay. Not until July. Okay. And then, of course, we also have to do freight line. Okay. It was COD for $62.50, and we paid with check number 1527 for $62.50. So therefore, we owe freight line nothing, but once again, this is a paper trail to ensure that we made the payment to this particular bill. Okay. All right. Last but not least, we need to update our inventory because we bought inventory. So regular coffee, right? We do need it because we only have 11 pounds left, and that's not enough to brew the coffee in the morning. So 125 pounds. I had $1.40 with $31.25 of freight, giving me grand total of $206.25. Okay. I should have 136 pounds of coffee at a grand total of the 224.19, which in this case increased my average cost per item by a penny. So Supreme Coffee, £125 at $1.64. Giving me a total of $236.25. And in this case, since we're doing FIFO, we need to keep our batches separate. Okay. So therefore, I need to solve for the cost per item here for this batch of inventory, which gives me $1.89. So plug that into your inventory on hand. Okay. Giving you a total of $339.85. Okay. At 181 pounds. We also received our 100 ceramic coffee mugs. Okay. All right, and these ones are $2.51 each. Okay, so in this case, the coffee mugs. Okay, so in this case, it was 251 plus $100 worth of shipping to get a total of $351. Invoice number 202. All right, we received the coffee, 100 coffee mugs at $251 with invoice number 202. So we just did a purchase expense. Okay, purchase expense. For another $251. So therefore, It was for $10.92.20. Some freight expense. Right? Total of $500. All right, last thing that we need to update is our accounts payable again, the 27th. Invoice number 202 for $351. So what's my grand total in my accounts payable account?
3696.21.
Good. Okay. Right, we owe more money to All Things Ceramics. Okay. Right, we received 100 coffee mugs. Invoice number 202. General Journal 17. With the 1% 10. Net 30. So in 10 days, should be due on the 7th. In 30, it's due on the 27th for $351. So in grand total, for all the invoices that we have here, we have a total of 5 invoices. We have a total of $1,469.96. Last thing that we need to do is going to be updating our inventory worksheet here, because once again, this is dealing with just strictly purchases. Okay, so here we bought 100 mugs at $2.51 each, giving us a grand total of $251 plus $100 freight, gave us a total of $351, which brought our cost per item to be $3.51. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So, Albert submits once again another order for the corner bookstore. Okay, sales order number 109, corner bookstore. they want to purchase some more coffee and some more mugs, right? The expected date to deliver to them is June 29. So in this case, what do I do with this?
You go to commissions.
We're gonna put this into commissions for $218.81 because this is a potential sale. Okay, commissions. This is the corner bookstore for $218.81. Okay. Now we can finally purchase from the Whole Foods store sale, okay, for more sugar and creamer, okay, still on the 27th. So here it is. We use our business credit card. Okay. More sugar, more creamer. So
Sugar, creamer, and Visa payable.
good. Sugar, creamer, Visa, payable. Okay, so that should be $11,770 and $11,775 and 11,000. Oh no, 22,000. Excuse me. So how much sugar did I buy? $21.60. And for creamer, $244.95. So how I charge my Visa credit card for $266.55. Right? Description here, wholesale food. Okay. So now update our accounts, starting with our assets with some sugar. So sugar, another 60 pounds at 36 cents per pound. For $21.60. So therefore, how much in grand total do you have for sugar?
$64.80.
64.80. Good. We also bought another 15 cases, 12 pack at 16.33 cents a pack. For for $244.95. So therefore, how much in grand total do I have in my creamer?
$538.89.
Good. $538.39. Last but not least, we paid with our Visa payable. So our credit card here, $627. Wholesale food, sugar and creamer. Oops, wrong one, sorry. It's supposed to be 266.55. 266.55. Giving me a grand total that I have on my credit card.
$16.15.26.
Good. Last but not least, you need to update your vendors in case for any reason that you need to return those sugars or creamer. General 17 for the 6655, and of course you paid with a Visa payable. Okay, so it's up to you. You could put Visa in here just so then it's clear that you paid with Visa. Okay, so therefore you owe wholesale food store nothing. Okay. Now it says here purchase order number 316. Once again to Atlas Coffee. We're going to buy some more coffee. This time it's going to be 125 pounds of regular coffee for $1.42, and then Supreme Coffee for $1.66, giving you a grand total of $385. So, purchase orders, because we're just sending a request. For $627. Atlas Coffee, we're still buying 250 pounds of coffee for $385. Okay. And then on the 27th, here we have our daily sales. Okay. Okay, that's definitely not enough space for our journal transaction, but that's definitely a lot of extra space for entering a fraudulent transaction here, so I'm going to go ahead and block this part off. Okay. And we're going to start on page 18. Okay. With our daily sales. Okay, my equals, I'm going to put an equal sum here up in checking. Okay. So how much medium regular coffee did I sell?
473.62.
473.62. Okay. Large regular.
595.01.
Medium supreme.
597.60.
Large supreme.
698.
The coffee mugs.
408. 893.
And tax.
199.08.
And you should get a grand total of 26.12.24. 26.12.24, which is correct. There you go. Okay. So what do you want to do first?
Go to the general ledger.
Okay, general ledger. Starting off with our checking account. Okay. We got some in-store sales. General Journal 18 for the 26/12/24. All right, so how much cash or how much money do we have in our checking account?
6,303 cents.
Good. Okay. We're going to move on to our revenues. Okay, starting from our sales for the medium regular coffee. How many cups did we sell?
238.
For 473 and 62 cents. 473.62. So what is my total ending balance?
3798.91.
379891. Good. How many cups of my large regular coffee did I sell?
$199.
For a total of $595.01. So what's my total here?
466,440.
46. Good. Next is our medium supreme coffee. How many cups did I sell?
240.
For a total of $597.60. So therefore, how much is my grand total?
48,2811.
Good. My large supreme coffee. How many cups did I sell?
200.
200 cups. For a total of $698 even, which will bring my total balance to be
5,353.66.
53.56. Good. Okay. We got some ceramic coffee mugs. How many mugs did we sell?
7.
We sold only 7 mugs. For $48.93. Okay. Giving us our total to be
1508.35.
1508.35. Good. Last but not least, we got some sales tax. So that's a liability. Some sales tax. Here we are. Sales tax in store sales. It is $627 in store sales. General Journal 18 for a total of $199.08. Okay. My grand total is going to be
1436.77.
good. 1436.77. Good. All right. I'm going to go ahead and deposit this money into my checking account for the 26/12/24 on the 27th. So therefore, that money has been deposited at the end of the day. Okay. So then we also have to do the in-store use here. Let me push this down. So this is what we have. Oops. In-store use. We used 40 pounds of the regular coffee and 40 pounds of the supreme coffee. So today we sold a little less. So inventory worksheet, 40 pounds of regular coffee and 40 pounds of supreme coffee. So inventory worksheet, regular coffee, 627 for 40 pounds. Okay. 40 pounds at $1.63, or sorry, $1.64. I thought I covered this. Okay. There you go. So how much is the total cost of goods sold?
$65.94.
$65.94. Let's update our inventory, right? We had 136 and we used 40 pounds. So you should be left with 96 pounds at a total cost of $158 and 25 cents left. Okay. Which my average cost per item should roughly be about the same. Okay. It only changed by 10,000th of a penny. Okay, so $65.94. Okay, Supreme Coffee. We used 40 pounds. So let's check our inventory on hand. Do we have enough? Yes, we do. For the 56 at $1.85. Okay. So what is my total cost of goods sold here? $74 even. Let's update our inventory here because we used 40 pounds. 56 minus 40 should leave you with $29.60 left, giving us our grand total of 141 pounds at $265.85 left. So there we go. Cost of goods sold for the Supreme is $74, and then the cost of goods sold for regular is $65.94. $65.94 and $74. Okay, in-store use. So let's update our ledger. Cost of goods sold. We used 40 pounds. General Journal 18 for 65.48. Oh, sorry, 65.94. Okay. So what is my grand total balance here?
1061.50.
1061.50. Good. Supreme Coffee. We used 40 pounds. General Journal 18 for $74. So, what is my total ending balance here?
1117.65.
Good. Last but not least, we should update our inventory. And here you go, regular coffee. We used 40 pounds. General Journal 18 for the $65.94. So what's my ending inventory here?
158.25.
158.25, which we know for sure matches our inventory worksheet. Okay, last but not least, we used 40 pounds, General Journal 18 for $74. So what should be my ending balance?
265.85.
265.85, which matches my inventory worksheet. Okay. Good. All right. So we're going to stop here and take a quick break here. Okay. It is 9:28.